How to log out of FIFA mobile account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of FIFA mobile account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to log out of FIFA mobile account, now there is no any direct option in the game whatsoever. What you can do is you can simply head into app info. You can scroll in notification bar, tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner, and then scroll down, head into apps, and under apps you want to search in for FC mobile, that is the FIFA mobile, and head into FC mobile app info. Now here what you want to do is you want to scroll down and head into storage. At the bottom you can see clear data option. You'll be able to tap on clear data. You'll be able to clear your data. Now I've already done so it's not showing me any option here, but you'll be able to clear the data, and once you do so, your account will be removed from your device and you'll get logged out. So this way you can log out of FIFA mobile account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.